issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern LaSalle County in north-central Illinois, southeastern Lee County in north-central Illinois, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:53 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Lomoil, or 11 miles northeast of Princeton, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Mendota, Paw Paw, Sublette, Woodhaven Lakes, Compton, West Brooklyn, and Triumph, including the following Interstate 39 between mile markers 68 and 89. This includes Tri-County Fairgrounds. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for north-central Illinois. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for north-central Illinois.